Hey, what up guys, how's it going? I got something kind of cool here. This is the new Rachio 3 Smart Water System Sprinkler Controller. Now you guys already know I have the other one, which is the 2. This is the 3. Now you're probably asking yourself, what's the difference? What's the difference? I'll tell you. This one has dual band Wi-Fi, that's 2.4 and 5 gigahertz for a faster, longer, secure connection to your smart controller, as well as this has easy press connectors for connecting your 14 and 18 gauge wires. Very, very simple. This also has a physical pause and skip button on the unit itself. You can walk up to the unit and physically press a pause button and you'll be good to go and make your adjustments and then hit it again to resume. Not too bad. This is also the only unit that's compatible with Rachio's wireless flow meter. Now you're saying, what's a flow meter? I will tell you. So let's say you connect that flow meter to the valve that's going to your irrigation outside. And let's say underground you have a leak somewhere. Well, you'll now be able to monitor that and know if you have a leak now, it could be leaking for weeks and weeks and weeks and end up costing you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. But with that flow meter, you will know. Pretty cool. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. We'll unbox this, get all into it. Then we'll go down to my garage and install it, and you'll see it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Oh, before I forget, right now Rachio has a sale, $30 off. So if you go to rachio.com, where the 3 is only available, go there and you'll see the $30 off. I believe that runs until May 28th or something like that, so act now. Also, if you're installing this on the exterior of your home, don't forget to grab a weatherproof enclosure from Rachio.com. This device isn't waterproof itself, so you'll need an enclosure so you don't damage your nice new cool unit. So also, you could be eligible for rebates depending on who your water company is and where you live. If you're not sure if you're eligible for a rebate when you purchase one of their devices, go on Rachio's website and they make it very easy to find out. So I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. And then after that, we're gonna go down to the garage and install it, and you'll see just how easy it is, and you'll be up and running in 10 to 15 minutes. And yeah, all right guys. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Now the one I have here is the 8 zone. This retails for $229. They also have a 16 zone for a little more money if you need that many zones. Also, like I said, until May 28th, they are offering $30 off. So let's go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, there's the new controller. Okay, so you have your stop, skip ahead, back, play, and pause. All here and clearly marked, and also etched in as well are the zones, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 8. We'll take this off, and one of the main things that I love about the new controller, the unit itself, is to take this off, it is magnetic. Simple off, simple on. Okay, right here is my serial number and barcode that this piece of paper is covering. So while you're going through the app, and the app will talk you through the setup step by step. Very easy, very simple. It will ask you, do you want to manually enter the serial number or do you want to scan the barcode? It's a lot easier with your phone. Switch to camera mode and it will go ahead and take a picture of the barcode for you. Here are the easy press buttons for your 14 or 18 gauge wire. M is for master pump if you guys have that. And this right here, C, I believe, is for common sensors and what have you. So yeah, this is the unit. Pretty cool. Lightweight, all good to go. And what else do we have in here? We have some installation instructions, and they'll tell you what you need, what tools and stuff. Warranty information, 2-year warranty. These are the mounting screws and anchors. And here is the power supply. So make sure you download the app on your Android or iOS device, and let's go ahead and go downstairs and install this. All right guys. Okay, the first thing you want to do is take your cover off of your existing controller. Okay, put that there, and before you do anything, take a picture. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab my smartphone here and take a picture. That way you can see the way everything's hooked up, so you'll know how to connect it to your new Rachio 3 controller. Now, the next thing I would do, it really doesn't matter in what order you do it, but for me, I would go outside and take a picture of each watering zone. So if 1 is the shrubs, 2 is the grass, 3 is the backyard, go ahead and just take pictures of everything that is going to be controlled. It'll make it a little easier for you later, but either way, you'll be good to go. So go ahead and just take pictures of your zones and areas that are going to be watered. Once that's done, of course, unplug the power. So unplug your power source, and then now I'm going to get my screwdriver and undo the screw so I can go ahead and take this off the wall after I disconnect each zone. Okay, I now have the power and my zones disconnected. Now I'm going to go ahead and unscrew it and dismount my existing controller. Okay, now now I have my Rachio controller mounted, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and connect each zone before I turn the power back on. Also, really quick, I just wanted to demonstrate the new easy press buttons here. They are extremely easy. As you see, I press in there, pop that in there, press in here, pop it in there, and press there. They've made it very easy and very simple to do. Now, if you've forgotten which wire goes where, don't worry. That's why you took a picture. So refer to your picture and you'll put the wires in the zones corresponding which how they were set up before. Okay, once you have the power connected, you'll see the light on the left is all the way solid. There's a blue one in the middle and the yellow one pulsating towards the right a little bit there. That means it's ready to go, and we'll go ahead and set up the app. Also, in the instruction manual on the last page, there is a mounting template. So you can, it's perforated on the left, so you can tear this out, stick it on the wall, and then now you'll see exactly where the mounting screw holes need to go. Make sure wherever you set up your Rachio controller, you're getting a good Wi-Fi signal. Please check on your smartphone to make sure you have connectivity wherever you're mounting the controller. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit next. Then I'm gonna put in my info here. Okay, I went ahead and scanned the barcode, and let's connect to Rachio now. It's gonna say adding controller, and let's see what happens. It says Weather Intelligence Plus activated. Now aggregating data from over 300,000 weather stations, radar, satellites, and other sources. Wow, this is nuts. So here's a zone, you can name it. I've named it My Garden. And then you can go ahead and attach a photo. Zone type, I have annuals, a lot of annuals in there, so I selected that. Spray head, everything's here. Rotor head, fixed head, bubbler, mister, whatever you want to choose. Back up here, soil, okay. This thing is so detailed and it's so smart that you can go ahead and put sand, loamy sand, loam, clay, everything, every type of soil you may have, it's all here. And that's how smart and intelligent this thing is. It isn't just some random controller that turns water on and off. It actually wants to learn what you have and take all the knowledge it has access to and give you the exact amount of water so you can save and not overwater as well. It also wants to know if you have a slope, if it's flat, slight incline, moderate, steep, all of that here. And then you're all set up and it looks like that. All right, so right now I just hit the Weather Intelligence Plus and it's got all of your information there. Again, you can set up schedules, very simple to do. It's all in the app. If you wanted to water every Wednesday and Friday, you can do that, or you can leave everything up to the controller itself. It knows the weather coming. It knows if it's gonna rain. It knows if it's gonna be 106 degrees 10 days in a row, and it will water accordingly. And yeah, so that's it. It's all set up, and we'll show one last little goodie. Okay, you guys, that's it. We're all done. I just want to show you one last thing. If you have Amazon blah blah blah, I don't want to say the name because it'll activate, or you have Google Home and any smart devices like that, Rachio will go ahead and work with them. So let's go ahead and test it out. I think it is so cool. I use it all the time, and yeah, let's see. Alexa, tell Rachio to water my garden for 10 minutes.
Okay, zone number 4 is running for 10 minutes.
Okay, let's go see. And there you have it. As you can see, it's pulsating on the 4th because that's what zone it is. And that's how you know it's working. And you can go to a next zone, back. You could pause it or you could stop it all manually from here. But yeah, that's it. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it. If you like my videos, then like my videos. And that's it. You're all good. All right, guys. All right, guys, that's what it looks like when it's going and showing my garden. I can pause or stop it, and you get notifications every time a zone is stopped or it's going. All right, guys.